ChatGPT 5.2 just dropped. Google fired back with Gemini 3, OpenAI called a code red, and Google shoved AI into every product they own. This isn't an update. This is an AI war. So I tested both side by side to answer one simple question. Which one actually wins? Quick heads up. If you want the exact workflows and free prompt packs I'm using in this video, join the community while it's free for the first 50 members. Links in the description. Everyone keeps asking, which AI is better? And that's the wrong question. Because if you pick the wrong AI for the wrong task, you're wasting hours. So instead of picking sides, I'm breaking down exactly when to use ChatGPT 5.2 and when Gemini 3 completely outperforms it. ChatGPT 5.2 isn't one model anymore, it's 3. You've got Instant for fast answers, Thinking for deep reasoning, and Pro for heavy, complex work. OpenAI knew Google was coming, so they upgraded the one thing that matters most: reasoning. Coding is sharper, logic is stronger, data analysis is deeper, and long context understanding is on another level. You can drop full strategy decks, contracts, or multi-chapter reports into ChatGPT 5.2, and it actually understands the entire thing. This isn't a chatbot. It's a digital problem solver built for serious work. Gemini 3 took a totally different path. Google didn't try to make a smarter chatbot. They made AI unavoidable. Gemini is built directly into Search, Gmail, Docs, Chrome, and Maps. If you use Google, you're already using Gemini. And Gemini 3 is fully multimodal, meaning it understands text, images, audio, and video together. One AI that processes everything at once. Google also added Deep Think mode for advanced reasoning. But the real advantage is that Gemini lives inside your daily workflow. If your life runs on Google, Gemini feels effortless. So I tested both using real-world tasks. First, personal organization. I asked both to design a realistic weekday routine that balances focused work blocks, exercise, meal prep, learning time, and downtime without burning you out. ChatGPT 5.2 delivered a highly structured, logical routine that optimized every hour. It was clean and efficient, but it felt a little rigid. Gemini 3 gave a looser plan with built-in flexibility, break suggestions, and reminders that real life isn't perfectly predictable. For day-to-day organization, Gemini felt more human. Next was household planning. I asked both to create a simple 5-day dinner plan using affordable ingredients that could be cooked in under 40 minutes. ChatGPT 5.2 produced a neatly organized plan with balanced nutrition and clear portions, perfect for structured planning. Gemini 3 focused more on convenience, realistic prep times, and practical meal ideas that felt easier to execute after a long day. For everyday home life, Gemini had the edge again. Then came technical work. I asked both to build a lightweight task-tracking web app that lets users add, delete, and save tasks locally in the browser. ChatGPT 5.2 completely dominated this test. The code was clean, well-structured, commented properly, and worked immediately without issues. Gemini's version functioned, but the structure was less polished. If you're doing serious development or technical work, ChatGPT 5.2 is the clear winner. Finally, visual reasoning. I uploaded a photo of a cluttered kitchen and asked both to suggest a cleaner layout optimized for functionality and flow. Gemini 3 instantly understood the space, suggested smart reorganization ideas, and even generated a simple visual plan. ChatGPT provided good written advice, but the visual output wasn't as strong. For image understanding and visual creativity, Gemini clearly leads. Here's the blunt truth. ChatGPT 5.2 is for deep thinking, coding, strategy, long documents, and serious professional work. Gemini 3 is for everyday life, visual tasks, current information, and anything connected to Google's ecosystem. So who wins? You do. So who wins? You do. Because for the first time, we have one AI that thinks insanely deep and another that runs your daily life. Stop choosing sides. Use both. And if you want the exact workflows and free prompts from this video, join the community while it's free for the first 50 members. Once those spots are gone, it's closed. Links in the description. Comment below if you're Team ChatGPT or Team Gemini. Subscribe for more AI breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.